guys! How are you today? I hope you're all doing fine. Welcome to my channel. This is Shanley from KK Shanley. I miss you. Yan. How are you guys? So anyway, there was one comment before from Mr. Reese Macalinaw. Yun. She requested if I can cook afritada. So it was actually last month pa. And I was thinking kung paano ko magagawang much more interesting ang afritada to you guys. Because I know you will think afritada it's a simple Filipino dish. But this is it's a dish that we have adopted. Yan, nagbasa ako kahit papaano. You have afritada pala is only called fritada. Fritada ng mga
much better.
Spaniards or Castilla. Kasi 'di ba we were colonized by Spaniards before. So madami tayong minana or mga dishes nila na inadapt natin, which is etong isa na itong afritada, which is fritada before. Ito daw po pala is food siya, breakfast food siya. It's not normal na ulam natin ng kinakain sa tanghalian or hapunan. It's breakfast food na madalas kinakain ng mga Kastila or ng mga Spaniards sa umaga. Ito ay putahe na pinritong karne at patatas na niluto sa sarsa ng kamatis noong panahon ng mga Kastila. Ito ay paboritong agahan kasama ng kanin at mainit na tsokolate. We adopted and we made it like our own. Yan, which is afritada or apretada. So, it took me some time to do it because I really have no idea how to cook it. But and also I want to make it more interesting sa mga manonood din to my subscribers, kasi you know naman I love you guys, you know. Gusto ko nasisiyahan din kayo sa mga pinapalabas ko eh. At I hope you like this, and I have posted all the shorts for this if you want to watch it or some entertainment, because it's just a small short video of everything. I like 1 minute or less than a minute, and there. So this is the longer version of it. So ayun na nga. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na ang afritada pala, you don't put carrots. Wala talaga siya. Originally, the classic afritada doesn't have carrots. It says here, dito sa reference ko na libro.
Thanks, Ate Maya's for this recipe book.
So, also, ang wala din is mechado. It doesn't have carrots. Naging ang afritada, yung ibang afritada, I guess, yung ibang afritada, nagkakaroon na ng carrots or mechado, nalalagyan na din ng carrots. It doesn't matter. As long as masarap naman yan, it's okay, guys. Wala naman rule dyan. And also, mabalik tayo. So, ayan. So, ngayon ko lang gagawin yung afritada mo, Teres. I hope you like this. And at least may matutunan ka or magawa mo, or even our other subscribers or audiences, you guys can cook this at home. It's very easy lang and affordable naman yung mga ingredients po niya. So here it is, guys. But before we get cooking, I would like to say shout out. It's our ultimate shout out time. So guys, shout out muna tayo. First of all, I would like to say hi and kamusta kayo dyan, ate? Sila Ate Rose Tabia and lahat ng mga kasama mo dyan, sila ate, lahat. I don't know all your names, pero hello po, kamusta kayo? Shout out to all of you there from Fabric Care Laundry Shop in Katipunan. Thank you very much for subscribing po, ate. Thank you. Also, shout out to Fabrin Dison. Yes, Fab, hi sa inyo ni Kat. Always ingat kayo wherever you go. Shout out sa inyong dalawa. And also, shout out to my friends, si Christine La Chica, Alain D, and Lady Diane Santos. So, ayan. Tapos, guys, see you. And also, shout out to Ate Maricel Conde And her family, tsaka yung anak mo si Jojo. So, hi ates and kuyas dyan, Berkeley residences in Katipunan. So, ingat kayo lagi. Tapos, to Kuya Iron and Ate Asel, and then Arcel and Zion. And also regards to all the friends there in Canada. Yan, ingat kayo lagi. And I also would like to say hi to Ate Elma Romero and Kuya Jojo. Ayan. Regards sa inyo. Tapos also, hi to Auntie Cora Escalona, yan, Facebook. Hello po, ingat kayo dyan. And also, hi to your family in California, Ate Sharon and yung mga kambal and their families too. Jennifer Sina, thank you for subscribing. Enjoy watching po. Hi to CNF Fruits family, yan. And Barbecue ni Jose. Yan. Guys, I went there last time for my Filipino street food. And I just wanna say hi to Miss Nina, Tita Tess, Kuya Ryan, Miss Cathy po, napakabait na may-ari ng CNF Fruits. And Kuya Makmak and Ate Mina. Yan. Regards sa inyo dyan. I will see you soon for the bibingka and what else? Puto bongbong. Tapos, hi to Kay and Eric. Also, all the family there in Chicago. Ramirez family in Chicago. Ingat kayo lagi. Na-miss ko na kayo. I hope to see you soon or in the future again. Micah, before I forget. Danielle. Yeah, family. Hi sa inyo dyan sa Amsterdam. Thank you for your support, guys. I just also would like to thank and shout out to Kuya Lloyd of Meat World, Athan of SMFI, and Gerson of CDO. They are all from Doña Carmen. Hello sa inyo, guys. Sa kanila ko po binili yung ham that I'm curing right now. Who else did I forget? Madami pa naman ganito. Kaya pag may mga nakakalimutan po ako, forgive me na ma-shout out. Yun, guys, I hope you will enjoy this episode. And let's get cooking! Happy holidays, guys. Later! Hey guys, let's start prepping our ingredients for Afritada 3 ways. So join me today and we will cook them together. And guys, lahat ng recipe ng iluluto natin for today is already updated na sa description box ng shorts na pinalabas ko na earlier. So if you want to get the recipe, guys, just go back to the shorts and take it from there po. So guys, i-break down natin yung chicken natin for classic afritada and our afritada ala con carne. Joke. Lagi ko nakakalimutan. Arroz valenciana ala afritada. And we're done. Ito na po lahat ng gagamitin natin for our afritada 3 ways. That's our classic afritada. arroz valenciana a la afritada, and fritada, which is the fried afritada. So, enjoy watching this, guys. I hope you like it. By the way, guys, di ba sinabi ko yung meat ko and yung fat is cured na po? Yung pong recipe niyan is naka-update na din sa short na pinost ko regarding our ham or our Christmas holiday dishes. Just check it out na lang, guys, on YouTube. Thank you very much. Okay, let's start cooking, guys. Add some salt and pepper. Yan. First, guys, iprito muna natin yung ating patatas. Yan. Next will be our green and red bell pepper because it's Christmas time. Then, iset aside muna natin sila for later use. Now, i-fried naman natin yung ating chicken. Yan, pasensya na guys ha, hindi kasi nagsalita yung camera na naman. Kaya, dito na po tayo sa, ginisa ko na po yung tomato sauce and bawang at sibuyas. Tapos, now, as you can see, nilalagay ko na lahat ng ingredients. Guys, dito po, ang ginamit ko is liver spread. Though wala siya sa recipe book. Guys, instead of using breadcrumbs, liver spread na lang yung gagamitin natin. Pang pa-creamy at medyo gumanda yung consistency ng sauce natin. 5 minutes later. Kulang lang ng konting alat. I think that's the afritada taste na. Ayan, inaalis ko lang yung excess na bay leaves or laurel leaves para po hindi masyado siyang makalat. We're done, and next will be our arroz valenciana a la afritada. For that, let me just wipe my camera. It's quite cloudy in here. Or our chicken stock. We have our long grain rice, malagkit, chorizo, our onion, garlic as well, and we'll add some liver this time, and some chicken and some diced potatoes. Some fresh tomatoes. We use fresh this time. And our last would be we'll do some paprika. We'll add some paprika to it. Okay? And some lemon and bay leaves still. And I have cured some pork fat because I don't have bacon. I didn't buy bacon for it. I cured some pork fat which we're going to use as additional flavor. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Guys, if you want to make your own bacon, I'm telling you the same curing solution that I made for my ham, pwede din nyo pong gamitin siya. But wag nyo pong ibabad ng matagal para hindi siya masyadong umalat. Like, nang ginawa ko na ito. I just soak this for like 30 minutes. Tapos, overnight na, or you can just put it in your fridge and cook it if you want bacon or something like that.
Yummy. Oh my God. Let's add some pork fat. Ay, ang linamnam, parang milk. Oh, that's so yummy.
Guys, as you can see, yung ginamit nating tomatoes dito is fresh. So, importante na talagang iluto nyo siya at pagmantikain nyo para lumabas talaga yung lasa niya at saka hindi siya madaling mapanis. And also, kapag iluluto nyo po ito, next time, isabay nyo na yung chorizo sa ano pa lang. Una nyo siyang ilagay, para medyo ma-fry siya, or pag na-fry po siya, mas malasa. Lalabas yung lasa ng chorizo natin. Tas also advice din ni Ate LB, kasi po pinatikim ko sila ni Tito nito. Next time, gagamit ako ng atswete or anato seeds or anato powder para medyo kumulay yung arroz valenciana natin. And also guys, always taste what you're cooking. Yan. So, dito hindi ko na siya ginamitan ng lid or takip. Ginilagyan ko na lang po siya ng foil kasi para yung moist niya mawala, yung moisture, and matuyuan na siya dahil nag-over na din po yung tubig na nilagay ko. As I've said, I'm not that familiar in cooking malagkit po. So, next time babawi ako.
Okay. I just added some parsley and garlic butter.
Guys, ayan na. Kita nyo, there's parsley and garlic butter akong inad for more flavor. And ito din po, nasa short ko din yan or nasa YouTube ko din yan. If you want to make your own compound butter, just check out on my YouTube channel.
Spain,
Thank you guys.
ito yung hinahanap nila. That's perfect. That's what you call Shawrawt. Yeah? If you cook the authentic paella, they are looking for this. Shawrawt. Sa ating totong yan ang gusto ng matatandaan ng mga lola at nanay natin. So, let's taste this, guys.
Homestretch, guys. Nandito na tayo sa fritada or our fried afritada. And first, we're frying our pork po, our cured pork. So, since cured na siya, no need for you to put some salt or pepper anymore. May lasa na po yan from dun sa pinagbabaran natin or curing solution. Let's do the sauce. The sausage. Do I need a reason to tell you why I'm singing you this song? Do I need a reason to tell you to know where I belong? Whenever I am weary, I'm in love. Oil dun sa pinagprituhan natin kanina para medyo malasa-lasa. Malasa-lasa. remove from the heat. Put some butter. Monte it. Just put that back. Bring home for Ethan. He likes acai. Do that. Let's taste this, guys. Rice, of course. Super yummy. Yung parang biko natin. Mababa. Guys. Yummy. And that fried. And goodness. And yung sauce. Lasa talaga siyang afritada. Thanks for watching. Later.